Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another beauty cracker to share with you and it's from Lookfantastic and this is what it looks like. It contains 6 beauty products, it costs £40 and has a value of £124. I have a code that can be used to bring it down to 35, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. I'll pop that up on the screen, plus I'll pop a link to this and the 2 other Christmas beauty boxes and any other offers they've currently got running on their website and my codes down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there. Plus you'll also find a link to my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek, same name, as I've got a giveaway currently running which ends on the 1st of December to win a LMS gift set. So you'll find it all listed down there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside the cracker. There's a QR code here, so I'll just scan this to see if there's any extra information. It just gives me extra information about the products, telling me whether they're full size and the cost as well. So I'll keep this open while I go through the cracker. Starting off with some Gradual Tan. This is by Tanlux. This is Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum and there is 30 mils here. This is full size and it retails for £36. Love the little pot it comes in. You have got an information booklet in here telling you how to use it, what it does. This is lovely. I have used this many times. I love the fact that it contains hyaluronic acid because we all need it in our skins, particularly as we get older. Our skin makes it naturally, but it depletes as we get older. So adding hyaluronic acid in your skincare is a good move. Some people like it, some people don't know, but yeah, that's another story. But these are gradual tanning drops. They suggest to use between 4 and 12 drops and massage it onto your face in circular motions until it's absorbed into your skin. So you've got the added benefit of the hyaluronic acid, and then as the day goes on, if you apply it in the morning, then your skin will develop into a nice gradual tan. The more drops you use, the deeper the tan. I do really like this brand. I've just bought a 200ml. It's a tanning water. It's a spray and I love it. I took it to Greece with me recently because I like to put a fake tan on before I go on holiday, and then while I'm away, because the tan doesn't last that long, I like to have something that's quick and easy. I had a 100ml bottle, which is perfect for cabin size. So every night I'd have a shower, and then when I'm dry, I went into the bathroom, give a quick spray, it absorbed really quickly, and then I just put my clothes on and go out, and then in the morning, yeah, I look like I'm all fully fake tan. So I ended up buying a full 200ml version. Not that I'm going to be fake tanning a lot over the winter, but it was on offer from Lookfantastic, so I had to get it. But anyway, so these tanning drops there with hyaluronic acid. I love this. This is Iconic London. It's full size and it can be bought for £19. It's an eyeshadow quad. And has it got a name? Deep and Stormy. So look, it's got a mirror. Look. I don't own many shadows like that. And oh, I just love it. I'll do you a swatch. I love Smoky Eye. Oh my gosh, that one. Thunder. There. I'll show my finger. Can you see? Bronzy silver, if that makes sense. And the stone then is more gold. Right, I'll put them on there because it would probably be easier for you to see. Oh my gosh, I love the thunder. Look how pigmented they are. So pretty. So pretty. So that is the silvery bronze. And then you've got a really pretty gold one. And then it's not black, but it's a really dark brown. It's a matte. And then you've got like a stone colour matte as well. So perfect shades for an all-in-one look. I do love a grey smoky look, but the fact that this has got a little bit of warmth in it, I really like it and I think it would suit me a lot better. So yeah, really impressed with that palette. I think that's beautiful. Next we've got Drunk Elephant, and this is a TLC Framboose Glycolic Night Serum with AHA, BHA blend, and there's 8 mils there. I received this in a overnight mask or a face serum in a full-size box. Sometimes they add in little samples for you to try and you can mix with a bigger size product and things like that. So I haven't tried it yet because I only received it a couple of days ago, but this is classed as a deluxe size and it is worth £21. So looking on the website, it says the serum is supercharged with a blend of AHAs and BHAs to help decongest, refine and clarify by lifting away dead skin cells for a revitalised glowing finish. So we've got a glycolic night serum there. Next we've got a full-size nude sticks. This is a Nudies Matte in shade Body Language. It's an all-over face blush colour. So it's a multitasking balm to create a soft cheek blush and creamy lip for an easy all-over face natural. What? For an easy all-over face natural. What the heck? Anyway, so this can be bought for £30. Yeah, this is pretty. Look, that's really pretty. I like that. Let's try it. There you go. That is really pretty, isn't it? A blended out for you. So a multitasker. You can use as a blush or a lipstick. Yeah, that is a really pretty colour. I like that. So from the looks of it, we'll all receive this shade. So we've got a Nude Sticks Multitasking Face Balm. Now the next two products I'm about to show you, you will receive either what I've got or you'll receive something else. But I have got here L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Molecular Peptides Bonder 5 amino acids. This is professional shampoo. And there's 100 mils there. So you'll either receive that, which is worth £8.83, or you'll receive a Sacha Joanne, a Ocean Mist shampoo. I've smelt this, this is amazing. You've got 30 mils and it's worth £6. There, can you see it there? I know, it's the lighting. It's the camera. So you'll either receive Sacha Joanne shampoo or a L'Oreal shampoo. But yeah, this sounds quite nice. Hair Structure Molecular Repair System. Restores strength, elasticity and movement. So there's that. And then the last item in the cracker, you'll either receive what I've got, which is L'Oreal Paris again. This is Absolute Repair Molecular Peptide Bonder, 5 amino acids, and there's 75 mils there. So it's a rinse off serum. Hair Structure Molecular Repair System, restores strength, elasticity, movement, deep penetration, instant transformation. Again, a deluxe size and it's worth £9.15. This hair treatment goes beyond regular repair masks and deeply penetrates the hair fibre to rebuild its molecular structure and elasticity with effective restructuring peptides. Some hair mask, but in serum form. So if you don't receive that, you will receive Sacha Joanne and hair repair conditioning mask, 30 mils, deluxe size again, and it is worth £5. It's a luxurious deep conditioner treatment that penetrates hair with a unique combination of minerals, proteins and vitamins to restore vitality and bounce. So basically you'll either receive the L'Oreal Paris duo of a shampoo and a hair mask, a treatment serum, or you'll receive a shampoo and a hair conditioning treatment from Sacha Joanne. And those are the only variations in this cracker. So to recap, I'll just show you what you get. So you got the Tan Lux, the hyaluronic acid with gradual tannin. You've got Nude Sticks, a multitasking cheek and lip product. It's a balm. In Shade Body Language. You've got Drunk Elephant, TLC, Framboos. It's a glycolic night serum. Got an Iconic London eyeshadow palette called Deep and Stormy. You can see the shades there in my hands. And then lastly, a hair care duo of a shampoo and a treatment. So the cost of the cracker is £40 and it has a value of £124. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of them? Plus, I'd love to hear if you'd like to see me unbox any of the other Lookfantastic Christmas editions as well. So yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.